Hello, this is a video that will show you how to replace a motor on an LUH unit. In order to do this replacement, you will need the following tools. It's a driller, an X die of 1/4 and 3/8, a flash cutter, a crimp tool, a stripper wire, a flat plate screwdriver, a heat gun, a scissors, and also it will be the material provided by Chromalox. Here we will be checking the Loctite that is going to be used, also the hardware for the motor itself, terminals, and a sleeving. First of all, we need to unscrew the lid of our LUH unit. Then we need to unscrew the screws from the frontal panel. Then we need to remove, once we screw the screws, the frontal panel. Also, we need to unscrew the screws from the back panel. This will allow us to be able to remove the case. Now we need to remove the motor cables from the contactor. It will be the black wire located on T1 and white wire located on T3. Now we are going to proceed to remove the black bushing that is located on the back of the unit. This needs to be done by force. Then we need to remove the bushing from the motor's cables. On this step, we need to remove the screws that are located on the fan guard of the motor. Here you will be able to see that screws have a washer and a spacer. This last one you need to be very careful when removing it because it has the ground wire on it. Now we have removed the fan guard and the motor. The next step it is to remove the set screw that is on the top of the fan blade. Now you can remove the fan blade. You will need to also remove the motor's bracket and gasket. Next step is to unscrew the screws that are located on the sides of the motor that holds the bracket, that holds the motor. This is for both sides. Now you can pull out the motor from the fan guard. The next step is to release the ground wire from the wires of the motor. You need to cut the cable tie. The next step is install the replacement motor on the fan guard. You have to do it in the same location that it was the original motor. Make sure to install the ground wire on the same position where it was located. On this step, we are screwing again the screws on the bracket that holds the motor. It is for both ways also, both sides.